Viking refrigerator model VRI7240WRSB error codes. Prolong the shelf life of your ingredients with this Viking Professional 7 Series refrigerator. The Blue Zone Fresh Preservation technology strips the air of harmful gas and toxins, while capacitive touch controls offer intuitive use. This Viking Professional 7 Series refrigerator features spill-proof plus tempered glass shelves to help you contain spills and offer easy cleaning. Error codes. Code E1. Problem: compressor fault, high-low amps. Code E2. Problem: condenser fan motor fault, high-low amps. Code E3. Problem: evaporator thermistor sensor B fault, out of range. Code E4. Problem: display thermistor sensor a fault, out of range.